And of course, wildlife. I mean, I love hedgehogs. I've not seen a hedgehog in my garden. I think the last time I remember seeing a hedgehog was when I was probably about, I don't know, 17. I was a teenager. I was pretty unruly. But even then, I stopped and looked at the hedgehog and thought it was an amazing little creature. So I think, I think nature, it does fascinate us. And as I mentioned, the bees and stuff. But one thing that a study in Surrey showed as well is that, we often do design our gardens and we bring birds into the garden. But we haven't necessarily brought birds into the garden that restore us more than others. So there was a study that looked at the different types of birds, and you can see on the left-hand side, number one in this study was the dunnock. Now, the dunnock doesn't look like anything. It looks like a small sparrow, to be honest. But if you Google search RSPB, Royal Society Protection of Bird, dunnock song, and then play it, it is one of the most beautiful songs that you'll hear. Also, multiple bird song is good as well. There is some reasoning around this, but it's not proven, and it'd probably be quite tricky to be proven. But it's thought in one instance that if, and it's a hypothesis, if there's plenty of birdsong around, there's no predators around, which means you're safe. So, and again, the kind of songs, so magpies, not particularly liked as a sound. Seagulls, depends where you are. If you, when I lived in Cornwall, seagulls on my roof, it didn't really make me feel very happy. But a lot of people might reminisce seagulls as being by the coast and have a good memory of them. But seagulls didn't come out very well in this study. So, putting in bird feeders that attract dunnock, greenfinches, blackbirds, creating habitats for those, they're going to sing back to you and they're going to create an element. Now, I only planted a little container in my I've got a little ginnel with a clematis. It's a self-watering container. I put a prop on it. I put the clematis on there. And just this morning, 3 little baby blue tips flew onto that one single plant and started taking the grubs off it. So it's biological control. I didn't need to use chemicals, but also it was just like a moment. Oh, look at those baby blue tips. Aren't they amazing? Quick, come and see family. We all looked at it. Maybe I'm just special, but actually that was a special moment for me and for my family. So I think, even one plant can make a difference.